Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of LTC, XRP, Dogecoin, SHIB coin and Atom coin. Before starting the technical analysis, it is a reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. So let's begin the technical analysis. I have opened the chart of LTC against the USDC on 1 day time frame. Currently, it is consolidating within this channel formation where the support of this channel formation is at 75. That is this support level of this channel formation, and the resistance of this channel formation is around 134.63. That is the trend line resistance of this channel formation. Currently prices are moving at 115. So as we can see, the prices are getting rejection from this trend line resistance of this channel formation. So if the prices in upcoming days fail to give closing above 135, they will try to come on downside, where they will try to touch the trend line support of this channel formation. That is 75. So the prices will try to come at 75 in upcoming days if they fail to give closing above 135. So but in other scenario, if they closing above 135, they will submit a new breakout of this channel formation and the prices will start going on upside. But if it fails to give closing above 135, then simply its prices will start falling on downside, where first target on downside will be around 106 and final target will be at 75 on downside. The next coin is XRP. If we look at XRP against the USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is consolidating, where the support of this consolidation zone is at 1.7821, and the resistance of this consolidation zone is 3.4023. Currently prices are moving at 1.9829, that and this level is very close to its stronger support on 1 day time frame, that is 1.7821. So if you guys want to go for buying into this coin, you need to make sure that you get a buying price of XRP at 1.7821, and after that your final target will be around 2.5. So this will be your final target if you go for buying into XRP at 1.7821. But you need to make sure that you put your stop loss immediate below this 1.7821, because if it will give closing below this level, that is 1.7821, it will simply break its consolidation zone and it will enter into its downtrend, and we will see a huge sell off in this coin if it give closing below 1.7821, because if it will give closing below 1.7821, it will submit a new breakdown. So I as it is as currently prices are moving above this level, so I am not going to discuss the levels where it can go on downside when it will give closing below 1.7821. So if you want to get their alerts when it gives a new submit on down when it submit a new breakdown on downside, and you want to know what will be the next levels on downside in XRP. So for such kind of alerts, don't forget to subscribe my this YouTube channel. The next coin is Dogecoin. So if we look at the Dogecoin against the USDC on the 1 day time frame, currently it is consolidating in falling channel formation, where the support of this channel formation is at 0.17512. That is the trend line support of this channel formation, and the resistance of this channel formation is 0.38287. That is the trend line resistance of this channel formation. Currently prices are very close to very close to the trend line support of this channel formation, and currently prices are moving at 0.18350. So if you want to go for buying into Dogecoin, you need to make sure that you get a buying price at the support of this channel formation, that is 0.1752, and after that your first target will be around 0.27727, and your final target will be the trend line resistance of this channel formation, that is 0.38287. But if you go for buying into this coin at 0.17512, you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below this trend line, because if it give closing below the trend line support of this channel formation, it will simply break this channel formation, and it will enter into its downtrend, where we will see a huge sell off in this coin. So I will share the levels when it will submit a new breakdown in the upcoming days. So if you want to get those alerts, you can subscribe my this YouTube channel. The next coin is SHIB coin. uh, if we look at SHIB against USDC on the 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in a downtrend, where it gave the breakdown of this flag formation when it gave closing below 0.00002011 in this candle. After that, it exposed the final target of 0.00001074, and that final target is almost achieved in this candle. Currently, prices are consolidating at moving at 0.00001306, and as this coin is moving, it's a downtrend, so we have to follow two strategies in this coin. The first strategy is the sell on strength, and that strength level is 0.00001735. And if you guys have bought this coin at high rates, and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to get exit from this coin, so that exit point will be, so this coin might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is 0.00001735. And as this kind is moving in its downtrend, so we can follow a second strategy in this kind, and that strategy is a sell on new breakdown. And this kind, that is SHIB, it will submit a new breakdown when it will give closing below 0.00001074. If it gives closing below this level, then you will not wait for a strength level. You can simply go for selling into this kind, because it will submit a new breakdown if it gives closing below this level in upcoming days. I will definitely share those level if it will submit a new breakdown on my this YouTube channel. The next coin is Atom. As if as this coin is moving in its downtrend, SHIB coin, so I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get the initial confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will give closing above 0.00001735. Until that time, I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin. You simply have to follow two strategy. First is sell on strength. I have already shared that strength level, and the second strategy is sell on new breakdown, and it has not submitted a new breakdown yet, so I cannot predict the levels where prices can fall further on downside in upcoming days. The next coin is Atom. If you look at Atom against the USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is moving. It's a downtrend, where it gave the breakdown of this flag formation when it gave closing below 6.295 in this candle. After that, it exposed a final target of 3.665, and that was the strong support on 1 day time frame according to these levels in this coin. And if you look at this candle has already achieved this final target. Currently, prices are moving at 4.213, and as this kind is moving in its downtrend, so we have to follow two strategies in this kind. First strategy is a sell on strength, and that strength level is a 5.297. And if you guys have bought this kind at high rates, and now you are stuck into this kind and you want to get exit from this kind, so this kind might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point will be 5.297 as well. And next strategy in this coin will be sell on a new breakdown, and we will get a new breakdown in this coin when it will give closing below 3.665. When it will give closing below 3.665, it will submit a new breakdown, and it will expose a level on downside, where its prices can easily fall like 20 to 30%. So I will share those levels as well when it will submit a new breakdown on this YouTube channel. So if you guys, as this kind is moving in its a downtrend, so I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. So in this video, I have discussed all these coins on a 1 day time frame. If you want to get their alerts on a smaller time frame, like a 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, or 30 minutes time frame, for such kind of alerts, you can join my free Telegram and Facebook groups. Their links are given in the video description. So if you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel so you don't miss any informative content like this in upcoming days. That's all for now. See you in next video.